over 600 kilometers of claimed range, an 81.4 kWh battery, 201 horsepower, and a dealer price tag starting with a 3. This is either the moment Kia permanently embarrasses Volkswagen, or there is a serious catch. By the end of this walkaround, you will know exactly which it is. The rear three-quarter profile is the design decision that defines this car. Kia did not build a scaled-down EV6. They built a fastback that tapers aggressively over the rear axle, creating an aerodynamic wake that stretches the battery's stamina. The flush automatic door handles and aero-optimized wheels reduce drag down to the decimal points. In person, standing next to it at the Erfurt Motor Show, the long wheelbase and short overhangs give it a visual weight that press photos entirely missed. The twin 12.3-inch displays are where the interior budget went. Crisp, instantaneous, and logically mapped. You will figure out the entire menu system before you leave the forecourt, which sounds like a low bar, until you have spent 20 minutes lost in a modern Volkswagen interface. The Earth trim brings a heat pump as part of the Winter Connect package. That preserves your winter range when the temperature drops below zero. Cheaper, hard plastics exist on the lower door bins. You will find them if you go looking for them. At this price, that is a trade I make every single time. Think about the last time you sat in a minimalist electric vehicle and could not find the wiper controls. Now imagine a cabin that keeps the essential physical stocks where your hands expect them. That is what Kia did here. 420 liters, around 14.8 cubic feet, of boot space. The fastback glass doesn't lift with the lid, which slightly restricts the opening aperture compared to a true hatchback. The vehicle-to-load adapter allows you to draw 3.6 kilowatts from the battery to power external devices. That detail tells you Kia views this car as a piece of usable infrastructure, not just transport. 81.4 kilowatt-hours is a massive battery for a front-wheel drive sedan. It returns over 600 kilometers, around 372 miles, of range on a full charge. A fast charger gets you from 10 to 80% in 28 minutes. In practical terms, a highway coffee stop adds hundreds of kilometers while you stretch your legs. The single front motor produces 201 horsepower. 283 Newton-meters of torque pull the chassis out of junctions with an immediacy that combustion engines cannot replicate. 0 to 100 in 7.5 seconds, around 7.2 to 60 miles per hour. It returns 14 kilowatt-hours per 100 kilometers, around 4.4 miles per kilowatt-hour in mixed conditions. That efficiency figure is the real reason this car exists. 52,953 euros is the official sticker price. The dealer's house price, factoring in EV premiums, is 39,999 euros. The polarizing rear-end design is the compromise you have to live with. Whether you want to look at it every morning is a decision you make, not me. But what this car actually settles is the deeper question of whether we all need to drive heavy electric SUVs. After walking around this highly efficient, massive battery sedan, the answer is no. The Tesla Model 3 finally has a rival that fights on battery size and design simultaneously. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.